22336.
22336, remain outside the class Charlie airspace, squawk 0251.
0251, Cherokee 22336.
336, radar contact over the code tip waypoint, how may I help you?
Request flight following to VIRB Beach, 1000 right now, climbing to 2500, Cherokee 336.
336, roger, proceed as requested, turn left, join the shoreline northbound and start your VFR climb up to 2500, no delay on your climb, there'll be traffic landing, Palm Beach passing below you.
No delay on climb for 2500, Cherokee 336.
336 in Julia, you're loud there.
Alright, thanks, number 336, turn left, join the shoreline northbound.
Turn left to the shoreline, Cherokee 336.
Very much, continue good rate of climb, please.
I will go, Cherokee 336.
Number 336, counter approach 124.6, 24.6, please.
24.6, Cherokee 336. 124.
5,500.
5.4.
There we go. Air Commander 0, Papa Sierra, continue climb, maintain 7,000.
7,000.
Upper Cherokee 22336 at 2,500.
236, Palm Beach approach, roger. 6 Bravo, Bravo, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles northbound, 2,500 Cherokee. Negative contact, search Bravo, Bravo.
Telling somebody else about me. To watch out for me, he cannot see me. I don't know where he is. Oh, there's somebody coming this way.
6 Bravo, Bravo, do you have the field?
Same height.
Bravo, Bravo, clear visual approach 28 right.
400 below me.
Tower 100.1. Clear visual, switch to the tower, 6 Bravo, Bravo, good morning.
Slightly to the right. Yeah, he's gonna...
Yeah, here.
Yeah, there. Yeah. Cherokee 336, I have the traffic inside.
36 right.
That's a jet.
Yep.
Cherokee
336, maintain VFR at or above 2,500, fighting 360, vector take yield to the top of the Stewart Airport.
Maintain at or above 2,500, Cherokee 336. This gives you the, look here, the altitude, speed, and magnetic heading.
So, explain to me one thing.
Yeah.
You want to go to Vero Beach.
Vero Beach.
How does the plane know that you want to go to Vero Beach? Where do you, it's like, how? When you drive, it's one thing, but here this is something different.
You see there, FPL? That's flight plan. FPL, but
3004. Okay.
Press it.
3004, we have Yankee
Press
number 28 left, 595.
Yeah.
Fairlight 496, contact.
See? It gives me points there. I set it up. Okay, you can type up. We can type here, and you can type whatever the points that you know of. That's how I plan it. But I'll show it to you when we come home, because it's kind of hard for me to show it to you now.
Okay, but you type it in here?
And here too, because this is the official.
Okay.
This is the official thing. This is not official.
Underneath you.
This is the official plan that I have. I may have to, and I have these points there. But I have Stewart that I'm going above right now.
That's by 428, the traffic appears continuously fine.
I'm a little bit to the right of it.
So this gives you the line, and you have to go with the plane accordingly.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah, I think I'm going to contact them. It should be over there somewhere. Oh, it's over there. Yeah, I have the field in sight. Approach Cherokee 22336, would like to cancel flight following. I have the airport in sight.
Number 22336, radar services terminated, block and maintain VFR and contact Zero Tower on 126.3 today.
Number 336, 23 left, cleared to land.
30 left, clear to land, Cherokee 336.
Skyline 205, sailing downwind, runway 30 left, continue traffic rolling in position.
Stay downwind, traffic 205.
Cherokee 960, runway 30 left, line up point, traffic Cherokee on the downwind.
Cherokee 83960, line up runway.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.